Hi friends, welcome back to Playtime Creative Time, and we're gonna be drawing together. In this video, we're gonna be drawing a skeleton because it's Halloween time. First, draw the skull, and that's the cheeks and the teeth. Draw two big circles for the eyes and a little circle inside. Draw a heart but upside down for the nose and ovals for the rosy cheeks. I want it to be cute. Draw the neck, just an oval, and the rib just like this. We're gonna make it only 4, or you can make more than this, it's okay. And then we connect them. One more oval, and the next is the hip. It's like number 8 but laying down. Next, let's draw the legs. 2 bones almost connected to each other. And then after that, we're gonna draw the feet and the toes. Next, another leg the same way, 2 bones, and then the feet and the toes. The same way for the both arms, 2 bones. Then for the fingers, just draw 5 fingers. And 2 oval inside the hips. It's done. Let's start to color. Use your black color to color the eyes and the nose. Pink for the rosy cheeks. Actually it's done, but I want to outline the skeleton with black color. You can do this or you can just not doing this. It's up to you. Let's do it for whole of the body. Let's also outline the ribs and then inside the hips. And it's done. It's really nice, don't you think so? Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you next time.